Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make pizza. And sometimes it's good to make your own pizza at home. It's fun and very simple, and it tastes so much better when you make your own homemade pizza. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, comment and share if you do like this recipe. So let's get started. For my ingredients, I have here 2 cups of all-purpose flour or plain flour, half a tablespoon of yeast, sugar, salt, olive oil. I have here bacon, prawns, capsicum, green capsicum, red capsicum, diced pineapple, tomato puree. This is pizza tomato puree with some spices, mozzarella cheese. So in a large mixing bowl, I'll add in the all-purpose flour, and to it I'll add half a tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'll combine and mix very well. Next, I'm going to add in half a tablespoon of olive oil, and 150 ml warm water, and I'm going to mix it well to combine. So at this point, I'm going to use my hand to mix it. And my hands are clean. Next, I'll transfer it onto a flat surface. I've added a little bit of olive oil to it to make it easier to knead. So I just realized this chopping board is giving me a hard time, so I'm using a different one. So I'll be kneading the dough for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grease a mixing bowl with a little bit of the olive oil, and I'll transfer the dough into it. And I'll also be greasing the top with some olive oil to prevent it from drying. And I'm going to cover it and leave it in a warm place, or you can leave it in oven for it to rise for about 30 to 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, the dough has risen up. And next, I'm going to be kneading it, and then we add the toppings, pizza toppings. So I realized the dough is a bit sticky, so I'm adding or sprinkle a little bit of flour to it so it doesn't stick on my hand. Now I have here my pizza tray, so I have transferred the dough onto it, and I'll gradually spread it on the pizza tray using my fingers. Next, I'm going to grease the top with some olive oil. And this pizza dough is making 2 tray of pizza. So next I'm adding in tomato sauce, and it's not raw tomato sauce, it's with herbs, spices, so it's not just in raw tomato sauce. And to it I'm adding in mozzarella cheese and salami. So these are my toppings for this pizza. Diced bacon, sliced onions, and you can add any toppings of your choice. I'll be adding some pineapples, red capsicum, green capsicum, and it's all done. So this is the first one, and I've preheated the oven for about 250 degrees Celsius. And next I'm going to do the same with this one, but I'll be using the prawns, bacon. Yes, so I've added tomato sauce, pizza tomato sauce, some cheese, prawns, and I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Trust me, this pizza, it's so delicious. And I'm adding in salami, sliced onions, and I'll add in the pineapples, green capsicum, and the red capsicum. And it's all done. So I'm going to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just look at this, so colorful. Oh yes, and it's all done at this point. Just look at it, so colorful and smelling so good. So you can see it's so soft. The base is soft and the outside, the edges is crunchy. And I hope you give this homemade pizza a try. See you in my next video. Bye.